Do you hear that? Those aren't sleigh bells. Those are snake tails. Come with me. Let's explore the sounds of the museum store at Texas Science and Natural History Museum. Kick off your holiday shopping at Museum Store Sunday, or stop by anytime this holiday season to find something special. Every purchase you make supports the museum's educational mission. See you soon!